Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike. Okay, let's say that your AC system, your heater, whatever, is only blowing through the top and not through the front, not through your vents, right? Okay, this is what I want you to do. First thing we're gonna do is, instead of okay, this is gonna be the second part. Let me go show you in the motor. This is so easy. Okay, if your cruise control is working, then that means your vacuum pump is working. You see that this hose right here? That's where it go connected. You see it right there? That right there goes to the AC, and the other one goes right here. You see it right here? So that hose goes from here to there. It's just a long one. So what happened was it was broken. The rubber seal right here was broken, so it wasn't sucking. But I couldn't see it. Like, you will look at it and it looks like it's good, but it wasn't. So then I did all that, and I came in here, because you see that's where it comes. It all looked good. You can unhook it right here. Make sure that it's not clogged up with nothing. I looked in here, make sure that this is all clean, not clogged up. It's all perfect. And guess what? It's already fixed. That easy. The dealership will charge you between $300 to $600 for a what? $2 hose. I bought a pack of seals. There you see it right there. This was like $5. And that's it. The problem is already fixed. The AC already works. Customer is happy. Another car going on the road. Woo! All right. This is Michael. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Any questions, just leave a comment.